What's the situation on Meridian City?
It will not last long without support.
It's on the way.
He is the last Lombax, searching for clues to his past.
Hello, Ratchet. I have been expecting you.
He is the last Cragmite, seeking to dominate the universe.
Behold! Emperor Percival Tachyon!
Your name's Percival?
Both will stop at nothing to uncover the Lombax secret.
Hang on, Clank!
This fall,
That guy is so off my top 8.
destinies will collide. A mystery will be revealed,
It's Riken 5. That must be where the secret is hidden.
and a new adventure begins. Ratchet and Clank Future, Tools of Destruction.
It's time to show the universe how amazingly awesome I am.
Available now.